I'm starting with the Qēt Botanicals Restoring Facial Oil for a first cleanse. It melts stubborn eye makeup in seconds and smells of rose geranium. I'm taking the time to massage and luxuriate in the process of cleansing my skin while restoring a feeling of calm. The goal of this facial is to practice a complete ritual, taking the luxury of time to renew my skin and my spirit. After removing with a warm washcloth, I follow with a second cleanse by adding the Herbal exfoliant powder to the oil and gently moving it across the skin for a deeper clean and light exfoliation. After removing with a washcloth, we are ready for the steam. I mix together dried lavender, chamomile, astragalus, chrysanthemum, jasmine, rosehip, hibiscus, and green tea. The steam opens the pores and floods the skin with antioxidants. The lavender and chamomile are soothing. Hibiscus is for exfoliation. The jasmine can help even skin tone. And the rosehip and chrysanthemum have an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory effect that helps to reduce wrinkles and puffiness. For the next 10 minutes, I'm allowing myself to indulge in the aromatherapy of these beautiful herbs by inhaling deeply while letting my mind wander to other places and other stories. Once you're done, don't throw out the water. Strain out the herbs, and you can pour the water into a spray bottle and use it as a facial mist. The next step is a luxurious mask experience. I chose the Mermaid Mask from Leilani Skincare because with ingredients like pristine, nutrient-dense Hawaiian spirulina, raw honey, cleansing sea clay, chlorella, and sea buckthorn oil, it detoxes, nourishes, and revitalizes the skin, leaving it hydrated and glowing. Oh, and it also smells divine. It is a complete sensory experience. Leave this on 5 to 10 minutes while relaxing. The final step is a spritz with the Qēt Immortelle and Calendula toning water combined with the Restoring Night Serum. Use them together or separately. When used together, the serum's argan and rosehip oils emulsify with the mist for a deeper penetration. The Qēt Botanicals line is designed to nurture and restore vitality and radiance to the skin by using anti-inflammatory plant-based oils. These products fight bad bacteria while enhancing the skin's microbiome. No toxins, synthetics, harmful chemicals, or preservatives. And of course, completely cruelty-free. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one.